embodied writing or free-form writing is another way to kind of get underneath what you think and back into your inner guidance. Your inner guidance is your intuition, your body wisdom, and how your heart leads you. A very simple and powerful way to connect to what your heart holds essential is to get grounded, come into your body, and just ask your heart, what is it that is essential for me to know right now in this moment? And then grab a pen and some paper and just start writing. Don't worry about grammar or train of thought or penmanship. Just keep allowing the words to flow. If you find that you're trying to interpret as you're writing, come back to what you're feeling. I feel this in my heart. I feel this, hot or cold or constriction or open. You could just keep repeating the same word over and over again. What's important is you keep coming back to your body wisdom, and let your intuition and your heart allow the words to flow. It's that simple.